We're going to write a program in the calculator to find the area of any triangle using Heron's formula. So we're going to start by going to Program, and we're going to create a new program. First thing we got to do is name the program. We can name it whatever we want. I'm going to name it Triangle. And now, using Heron's formula, you have to know the 3 side lengths of the triangle. So it's up to you. If you want, you can explain to the user that you want them to enter in some side lengths. So I'm going to use display, and I'm going to prompt the user to enter the side lengths. So we have to use quotation marks, and just going to keep it brief and say enter. Oop, try that again. Program, display, and I'm going to do second alpha to lock the alpha keys. Enter lengths. And don't forget the quotation marks at the end. And now we will prompt the user for the 3 lengths. So we go back into our program, and under input output number 2. And we need to ask for 3 side lengths. You can ask for them one at a time, or it's easier just ask for them all at once. So we're going to ask for, we'll call them side lengths A, B, and C. And don't forget to separate them by commas. Alright, so at this point the user is going to input the 3 lengths, and now we need to take those 3 lengths and add them up and divide by 2. Alright, so then we can apply that to Heron's formula. So the next line of code is just going to be that. Let's take what the user inputted, A plus B plus C, close parentheses, and divide them by 2. And now that is, of course, what's referred to as S in the formula. So we can take this and have the calculator program associated with S by using the store option. So we're going to store this into a variable that we'll call S. So alpha and S. Okay, now that we've done that, we can have the program calculate the area using Heron's formula. So Heron's formula is the square root. So second square root of S. So we can use alpha S multiplied by S subtract A. Close parentheses. Open parenthesis, S subtract B. Close parenthesis, open parenthesis, S subtract C. And close parenthesis again. And don't forget to close parenthesis one more time for the square root. And now we should tell the calculator what to do with this. So I'm just going to have it store it as a variable. So we'll use the store again. And you can pick any value you want. I'm just going to go with X, alpha, X. And that way, in the next line of code, we can have the calculator display the area, and we can just tell it to display our value that was stored in X. So we go program, input output, and now we want to display. And we should type something like the area of the triangle is. Of course, you can keep it brief. So I'm going to lock my alpha keys again. Quotation marks. Area. I need to unlock this. Equals. find my equal sign. Sorry about that. I was looking for the equals key. It's not on the keypad. We go, I believe, math. Nope. Sorry, second math, and under test there's an equal sign. So we can enter that in, and now that's the end of our text. So close the quotations, and now we want to actually display our area. So after that, just use a comma, and now display the variable x. So alpha and x. And that should be everything. So let's test out our program. I'm going to quit out of here. Now we'll go to program, and we'll just execute the one I named triangle. So hit enter, enter the lengths. So about 4, 7, 9, and area equals 13.416. So there you have it. Writing a program in your calculator to find the area of a triangle using Heron's formula.